As an island, seaports and airports are common entry points for narcotic drugs in Cebu. Taking part in the active campaign against drugs, government agencies gathered at the plenary hall of the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated for the Seaport and Airport Anti-Narcotics Summit last November 23, 2018.
Purpose ito nini is to come up with measures in order to protect and secure our ports and seaports and airports from the entry of Cebu. We've seen the efforts of our law enforcement, mga PNP, PDEA, sa dakop sa done in the streets. Pero it's really not enough because the supply of Cebu still continues. Muna nga atong target karon is really to come up with measures nga ang Cebu would really be kanang protected or insulated from the entry of drugs, whether sa international port or sa katong magagmay nga mga pantalan kay atong dili man kay atong international port atong ibatayan hasta pud ang mga domestic ports katong mga unmanned ports sa Cebu.
Agencies such as PDEA, PNP, NBI, Bureau of Immigration, Cebu Port Authority, as well as local government units of Mandaue and Cebu City took part in the event.
Una-unaon lang nila nga kanang mga droga nga makalusot nila, igo ilang pamilya, igo ilang kabanay, igo ang barangay, igo sa nasod. That is what we have to fight against.
The summit also emphasizes on the importance of the regular civilians in the war against drugs.
Importante kay ang demand reduction is for the community, for the families nga mga to really campaign, aggressively campaign nga sila og ilang mga anak digin mo gamit og drogas kay useless man ang supply sa Cebu kung waadyoy mo gamit na the reason why the syndicates is continues to flood our streets with Cebu is because there's a demand for the use of drugs.
Attorney Paul Ominal, who organized the event, also launched his King Tupas campaign, in which regular civilians are provided numbers to report any drug-related incidents or occurrences they observe.
Dako kay ni katabang kay kung mga tao security guard ka or naka-information, naka-nabaw dako kay katabang mo nga mga authorities mo na mo trabaho mo nang importante kayo ang papel sa katilingan.
For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.